Actually, the same problem happened. What happened in the last week? That another professor, by mistake, uh, the meeting, and after I entered the meeting, I called him. I told him to leave the meeting. So yeah, he understood and left the meeting. The problem is that with that link, you people are not couldn't join. That's why I got bit late to get a new link generated from the system. Okay. Uh, uh, I think in the last class we started the nonlinear data structure tree. Taito, hello. Could you hear me? No response. Hello.
Yes, sir.
In the last class, we discussed the nonlinear started tree, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So today we will be continuing the tree. It will take uh, more classes, but two important topics what we left, that is the implementation of stack using linked list and implementation of queue using linked list, isn't it? We what we did, that is implementation of stack and queue using array, right? So
Yes, sir.
today let us discuss. I don't know, because of this technical problem how much time I will get. Let's continue. Let's see. Today we will discuss implementation of stack using linked list. Okay. So let us present this. Okay, let me turn on the attendance first. Hmm. Yeah, it's turned on. Hmm. Uh, attendance of this. Attendance. Okay. Hmm. Let me start presentation. The screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that we uh, have opened the same material what I posted earlier while we discussed the stack. Okay. Same, the same topic we are going to discuss, but here the implementation will be different. Here we will implement the stack using this last in first out. All the principle will maintain what we maintain in stack, but instead of array we will implement it using linked list. The push operation, pop operation, pick operation will be there, but useful operation, this operation is not will not be valid in that sense, because you know that in dynamic memory allocation we can create memory space as and when required, and it's very, I mean, dire consequence generally it doesn't happen that if the memory doesn't support means your RAM gets completely filled up. Okay, it generally doesn't happen because you know that we have a huge amount of memory is at our disposal nowadays, so we will not bother about the will not bother about that aspect, right? So this useful condition is not valid here. Where in case of static memory allocation, there was a constant. The program was supposed to check whether the stack is full or not. Means whether the array is completely filled up or not. Because we cannot insert more than we cannot insert any more element if the array runs out of space, right? But is empty function is valid. We have to check this is empty function. So here, this is the implementation of stack using linked list. Okay. You can say that the elements are pushed vertically. It is getting a form of stack, right? But we have to use it. We have to use dynamic memory allocation. When there was no node in the list, there the element which will be the on the stack, it will be the first element and the root element and that topmost element also. After we insert a second element, so that top means the value of the root of the list will be changed, right? So this second element is the topmost element. After it's a third element, element will be the topmost element. After it's the fourth one, the fourth element will be our topmost element. So you can see always the value of the root means top, okay, is getting changed every time, isn't it? Hello. So now
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
tell me that which function of linked list manipulation resembles with this function. Actually, this is a push function, right? So my question is that push function in the stack uh, implementation using linked list resembles with which function of single list manipulation? Could you answer? Could you answer?
Sir, একবার repeat করুন question.
Here you can say that we are inserting the element or means we are pushing the element on the stack in this way. Got it? Hello. Are you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are actually creating the stack. Okay. So does it resemble with the create
Yes.
list or any other function? Which function means you can say this is an push function, right? We are pushing the elements onto the stack using the linked list, right? Using dynamic memory allocation. So definitely we have discussed all the functions of linked list. Now you think properly and tell me which function resembles with this push function. Which function of linked list manipulation resembles with this push function of stack implementation in linked
Insertion
list
of
here?
node at any pos means at any position.
No, not at all. You cannot insert any node at any position. Otherwise, it will violate the principle of stack. Na? Would you
Sir, that
insert
position
any?
means that position can be also at the beginning. Means insertion of at a node at the beginning of it will be.
Exactly. Not in their linked list. We formed a different function for add at any position. But here the position must be beginning always. So only that add at beginning function will be valid here. Okay. You cannot insert an element here or here. Only add at beginning. Okay. Here beginning means a top, right? If you draw, if you think that this is a vertical picture, if you make it flat, if you make it horizontal one, you will see that always we are adding a node at the beginning, right? And the element which is inserted at last will be the first element, last in first out, and when we will remove the element, always we have to remove the element from top according to the principle of stack. The delete function
Yes, sir.
studied in linked list manipulation, it was general function, na? You can delete any node from any position, but here only you have to delete the first node, that is topmost node. The delete function will be customized. Only the deletion of the first node will be valid here. Okay. So that complete code which you studied in single list will be filtered, will be customized. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
বোঝা
sir.
গেল? সিঙ্গেল লিস্টে
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
যা করেছিলাম এখানে অনেক ফিল্টার, অনেক কাস্টমাইজড হয়ে যাবে। এখানে আমরা যে কোনো পজিশনে কোনো নোড ইনসার্ট করতে পারি না। অনলি আমরা নোড ইনসার্ট করব অ্যাট দ্য বিগিনিং। সেটাই তো আমাদের টপ মোস্ট এলিমেন্ট হবে, তাই না? আমরা বিগিনিং ইউজ করছি, অ্যাড
হ্যাঁ
করছি।
স্যার।
ডিলিট করার সময় অলওয়েজ আমরা টপ মোস্ট এলিমেন্টে ডিলিট করছি টু মেনটেন দ্য প্রিন্সিপাল অফ স্ট্যাক লাস্ট ইন ফার্স্ট টাইম। সো অলওয়েজ ডিলিট দ্য ফার্স্ট নোড। তাহলে এটা কাস্টমাইজড হয়ে গেল। ঠিক আছে, এটাই হলো কাস্টমাইজড ভার্সন অফ লিঙ্ক লিস্ট, দ্যাট ইজ ইমপ্লিমেন্টেশন অফ স্ট্যাক ইউজিং লিঙ্ক লিস্ট। Our node structure will be same, this will be same, display will be same, get node will be same, but add at beginning I have changed the name of add at beginning with push function, right? And pop means delete at first. Okay. You can change the name of root as top, okay, which will match with the concept of stack, right? So initially when there was no element in the stack, means top will be what? Top will be null, right? Isn't it? Are you getting?
Yes,
No,
sir.
no, top will be null. Okay. So let me modify this one. How many elements you want to push onto the stack? You can say this will be same. Change that, always the push function will push a single element onto the stack. So display function, push function. Okay, let me so let me describe the push function. Display get node, this will be same, nothing will change. So get node means push function add at beginning. This add at beginning, only this. Means first we have to check the element we are pushing onto the stack is the first element or not. So I have created a node and I have stored the base address of the node in temp. I have inserted the data part from info. Now I'm checking whether the root is null or not. If not, star r means root is null. If root is null or not. If root is null, then what I have to do? If the root is null, means root is null, then this will be our temp. So temp which we have created, right, will be our topmost element. So I have to change the content of top from null to the base address of this means temp. So star r will be temp and temp arrow next will be null. Okay, if it is the first element, otherwise not. So the first element, when if it is the first element, so temp arrow next is null and star r is temp. This is valid for if and else both, right? Only one statement is there under if and else. That's why I have maintained indentation and I have not put any bracket here, right? So if it is the first node, temp arrow next will be null. Temp will be our first node. Temp arrow next is null, and star r will be our temp. Are you getting? Star r will be our temp. Got it? Hello.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And now onwards, after first node, we insert the second node onwards. This else part will be valid. Star r will not be null, right? So this if will not be valid, else part will be valid. So after we create a node, get node and inserting and storing the base address of temp. Means temp we have to insert at the top. So that time what will happen? Always we will do this one. This, let's say this is our temp. Okay. So temp arrow next, this link part will hold what? Temp arrow next will hold the base address of this one, because this node comes after this node. So temp arrow next will be this, means actually this will be the this part. Okay, the temp arrow next is star r. As of now, this is our star r, na root node. So this is our temp. So temp arrow next is star r. Now the next statement we have to do, we have to change the base address of this. This will be our root node or top node. This will not be the top node anymore after we insert the second one, right? So star r will be changed. Now star r will be temp. So star r will be temp. Star r will be temp. So star r will be temp is same for each and else, but except if it is the first node, then this will be valid, and if it is not the first node, any other node, this will be valid. Okay. After we insert the third one means temp. This will be our temp node. The temp arrow, now the topmost element is this. So temp arrow next is star r. Star r means top. Okay. And star r is temp. Okay, got it. Here
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
R means star R means top. Okay. I am sending the base address up top. So that address is called by this R, or star R means top. It's very easy and at beginning. Okay, with a bit modification. Got it. Always the next part of the first, then the next part of the last node in the top will be null, right? Okay. To end our traversal, when we will traverse the entire stack, we have to end at a certain point of time now. So this denotes the end of list, and this is the last node of the top. Okay, last node of the stack. So let me execute this one first. Let me sorry, not display. Let me deactivate the pop first. We will discuss later. Pop first is function. Let me deactivate this one also. Save, execute, compile, execute. Root undeclared. Root টা কোথা থেকে গেছে? ও রুট এখানে দিয়েছে, টপ হবে তাই না? আমি তো চেঞ্জ করে দিয়েছি নামটা, তাই তো? বুঝতে পারছিস তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এখানে ও how many elements you wanna push onto the stack? Let's say 5 elements. Then 20, 30, 40. That element we inserted last comes at top 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Right? Maintaining the principle of stack. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now let's discuss the pop means delete. Delete from the first position always. Pop means delete from the first position. So let me run this one and again display. Control C. After we delete the topmost element, I have to take Let me activate it. Save. So this is the status after we inserted all the 5 elements: 500, 400, 300, 200, 200. It looks like a stack pattern. After we did the first one, these elements are left on the stack. This is our topmost element. Okay. If you again call the pop function, the second topmost element will be deleted. Let me call it again. Control C, Control V, save, execute, compile and run. 5 elements: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I called the pop function 2 times. So first, after I did the 500, this is the status of the stack. After I did this topmost element 400, this is the status of the stack. Okay, got it? And now the next assignment I will give you very easy, that here I didn't keep the isEmpty function. You have to write by your own. If I delete all the elements from the stack, I should get a prompt. I should get a message that no element, means that stack is empty. So you are supposed to do it. Means this. Let's say I am calling it 4 times. One, two, three, four. Okay. Again, Control V. And I'll insert 4 elements, and I will try to call the pop function 5th time, but it will send me a message that no element. After it did, if I insert the 4 elements, if I delete the 4 elements, then again I am trying the 5th time to delete an element, but I should get a message. I didn't put that in any place in my code. You have to write by yourself. Means let me check it. Let me run it. Execute, compile and run. It's the 4 elements I'm going to push. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. Got it. 4000 is after you delete the 100 also. Here, after this, I should get a message. Could you notice the temporary, for a few seconds, the program got paused? Could you notice this one? Let me run it and just look carefully. Look at the execution carefully. For a few seconds, it will be paused. Then it will terminate the program. Oh. It's getting paused. Okay, then it is terminating. Got it? Why it is taking? Because
Yes.
it is searching whether there is any element or not, but it is not. It is not getting an element. So that time it is taking, right? So I want to utilize that time, that it will give me a message that the stack is empty. So you are supposed to do that. Got the point? Got the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
exactly, right? So this is all about the implementation of stack using linked list. Today I will not take more time. If you have any question, it's very easy. Once you understood the linked list, here we are just customizing the code to implement the stack, right, using linked list. Okay, any more question from you?
No, sir. Not yet.
Okay, sorry. So no question, right? So
No.
I'll be giving you some questions for assignments you have to solve and submit it by this week. And I will ask all of you to check the routine, modified routine. One student, I actually posted the my slots, the modified routine, according to the modified routine. Still, one of you send me the message that there is no class. It means then he or she is not concentrating, is not up to date, is not updated, right? জানতাম না কে স্যার অ্যাকচুয়ালি যা আপডেট হয়েছিল স্নেহা কোথায় আছে?
Yes, sir.
কি লিখেছি স্যার অ্যাকচুয়ালি যা আপডেট
Sir, actually, আমাদের সানডে একটা রুটিন দেওয়া হয়েছিল, সেটাতে আপনার ক্লাস।
এটা মানডের পরে হয়েছিল, আমি তো পরে পোস্ট করে দিয়েছিলাম।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আপনি করেছিলেন তো, এবার হয়তো আমরা ঠিক মতন আমরা ওটা দেখেছি, এবার গুগল ক্লাসরুমে সেটা দেখিনি, তো সেখানে একটু গন্ডগোল আর কনফিউশন হয়ে গেছে।
তো এবার থেকে যাতে কনফিউশন না হয় দেখে নিস।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওটা নিয়ে একটু কনফিউশন হয়ে গেছে বলে আমরা করতে পারিনি।
গুগল ক্লাসরুমে মডিফাইড রুটিনটা পোস্ট করার রেসপন্সিবিলিটি আমার না, ক্লাস টিচার, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
তো যাই হোক সেটা করে দেবে সে, কারণ এটা মানডের পরে মডিফাই হয়েছে।
আচ্ছা স্যার।
ভালো করে দেখে নিবি আমার স্লট গুলো, যাতে কোনো ক্লাস মিস না হয়, বাকিদের কোনো ক্লাস যেন মিস না হয়, এরপরে কিন্তু এক্সাম আসছে।
ওকে স্যার।
কিন্তু অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা কিন্তু কনসিডার হবে, ঠিক আছে?
ওকে স্যার।
ঠিক আছে, আমি চেষ্টা করছি এই উইকে আই উইল বি গিভিং ইউ সাম অ্যাসাইনমেন্টস এন্ড দ্য নেক্সট উইক আই উইল টেক আ টেস্ট। BPIT doesn't take any test in the next week. I don't know actually, maybe internal test maybe there. I don't know in which in this or when it will be taken. So anyways, if BPIT doesn't take any exam in the next week, I will take an online class like I took in your first second semester. Okay, so online test I will conduct. Okay, Sayantan, ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
আর আমি একটা কাজ বলবো, আমি এটা বল স্নেহা বল।
Sir, we are extremely sorry for today's inconvenience.
আমাদের সিগন্যালস এন্ড সিস্টেমস এর স্যার লিংক দিয়েছেন অ্যাকচুয়ালি জয়েন করার জন্য।
হ্যাঁ
স্যার, আমাদের একটা ক্লাস আছে আবার।
কবে? এখনই?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, একটা
লিংক অলরেডি।
ঠিক আছে, তাহলে লিভ করে যা। ওকে ফাইন, ওকে বাই।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।